Hi there. My name's Danny. I'm in basically St. Augustine, Florida. I just completed the first day and a half of Drone Command Alive. It is one of the most phenomenal programs and industries I've ever seen. At my age, I'm not 16, so I've seen a lot, and this is phenomenal. At 67, I am so excited about the opportunity for me in my life. The drone boss and Diego are presenting both product and the business model, and how to do it right, so that once you get into this industry, it's totally, there's no reason for failure. The only reason that you can fail is if you don't listen and don't follow what they tell you to do. Also, I would highly suggest when you do a meeting to be in the VIP. It's a little extra money, but it's worth a whole lot more than a little extra money. It's an amazing program, and I highly, highly suggest it. Thank you, and good luck